What's going on, guys? Zach back here for another video. In today's video, I'm actually going to be swapping out the blinker lights. They're just the regular halogen dim ones, and I've got some a la lighting LED switchbacks that I'm going to be throwing in there. I'm going to be kind of doing like a little review type install. I'm going to eventually do the whole front end LED, so this is just kind of the starting point. Everything else is a little out of my budget right now, but I'm gonna pop these in, probably show you a little bit of how to pop those in, but I've already been through all this before. Probably be real quick, kind of get to it, but I'm gonna throw these in. But first I'm gonna show you what the lights look like right now. So these are what the lights look like right now. And I mean, as you can see, they're yellow and all that. I just don't really like the way that looks. I have the DRL delete in mine. I did that, so if you want to know how to do that, I have it in one of my other videos. I might leave that link in the description. But yeah, so that's what they look like, and I'll get to installing these bad boys and I'll show you what they look like after. All right, so now it's just going to be a quick video of me just taking this one off. You do have to take this one off, but you don't have to take this one off. Just get this one off and then pull the lights out of this one. And just pull this one up out of the way. And then these are the lights from a la lighting. Alright guys, and there's the after on this side. I haven't done this side yet, just kind of do a little comparison. Look how dim those are compared to the new ones. I'll set you up on the tripod here. When you turn your blinkers on, they flash amber. And as you can see, they're still way brighter than those ones over there, and it's way more pronounced. So people will be able to see when you're turning better. It's brighter. When you're not turning, it looks better. But I'll go ahead and pop in that other side and then see if we have any hyper flash. All right guys, now they're both in. Sorry if you can hear the wind, it's really windy out here today. It's about to start raining, but now they're both in. And I'm gonna do one of the main tests, which is see if I have hyper flash. I know with a lot of LED kits, well not kits, but a lot of LED lights, you'll get hyper flash. And I'll set you guys on the tripod, see if I get hyper flash, and if I do, there will be a video after this one telling you how to get rid of hyper flash. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. As you saw, I had hyper flash. Not a big deal, especially in these trucks. I will be getting the video out probably right after this one on how to fix hyper flash. It's specific to these, I believe it's these 03 to 06, 07 classic trucks is what this particular one is specific to, but most of the time you can use resistors. Like I believe in my wife's Jeep, which she's not here right now. If she gets LED lights, I have to put resistors in it. But I'll show you how to fix the hyper flash. No big deal, super easy. I mean, they just look a whole lot better than the stock old yellow. Like, I mean, you can tell right now they make my headlights look almost non-existent. So all that's going to be LED soon. Thanks for watching. Like I said, that's going to be it for today's video. If you like the video, like, subscribe. Don't forget to do that last part. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't miss anything. If you have any questions, comment them down below. I'll answer everything that I can. I'm not a genius about this stuff, but I'll answer everything that I can. Just make sure to catch the next video because that'll be fixing the hyper flash on this. Thanks for watching. See you next time.